Hi, and welcome to Poppy Seed Mini. Today, we're going to show you how to make a fireplace and log rack for your dollhouse. You can visit my blog at poppyseedmini.blogspot.com to print the patterns for this project. There are a total of 4 pages to print. The link is in the description box below. Cut out the pattern pieces. Trace and cut everything labeled white foam board out of the white foam core board. Take one of the top pieces and draw a line about 1/4 of an inch from the edge on 3 of the sides. Then take a knife and cut across the lines at an angle to give it an angled edge. Then glue both top pieces together. Take your front, back, and side pieces and glue them together. The back and front pieces should be inset. Use the pattern to make a guideline for gluing on the center trim. Glue on the center trim piece. I made a few adjustments to the pattern after filming if you're wondering why yours looks a little different. Use the 2 strips to make the decorative trim across the top. Cut one to size and glue above the center trim, and cut and glue a second piece across the top. Measure and cut 4 strips for the lower part of the fireplace. You'll also need 8 pieces that are 7/8 of an inch long. Glue the first piece along the edge. Use your 7/8 pieces for spacers to get the proper spacing, and glue in the next piece. Do the same on the other side. Then glue all the 7/8 pieces into place. Next, glue on the side trim pieces. Then glue on the top. Then we're going to trace and cut the insert piece out of the black tag board. Fold on all the fold lines. Put double-faced tape on the 2 front folds. Then push it into the fireplace and press the tape down once it's in place. Now we're going to make a log holder. Trace and cut the pieces for the log holder out of black foam core board. Glue the bottom pieces to the 2 side pieces. Then glue the 2 top strips about 1/4 of an inch from the edges. Okay, let's see how they look in the dollhouse. I took a stick and cut it into log-sized pieces to fill the log holder and the fireplace. Now you have a beautiful fireplace for your dollhouse with a mantle to decorate. We hope you enjoyed this quick craft for your dollhouse. Stay tuned for our next video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And have fun crafting!